the past 2 weeks, a lot of people came out and said their adverts are not converting. Not one, not two, not three, not four, not five. A lot of people. And personally, my advert stopped converting too. I'll be very sincere with you. One thing I want you to know is you may not be the problem and you may be the problem. The algorithm does this all the time. My advert might stop converting for 2 days, 3 days, and it picks up back. The longest time my advert stopped converting was like 5 days, and it would always pick up back. But in this case, it's close to 2 weeks and the complaint is still everywhere. I didn't want to make a video about this because I feel like, oh, it's a normal thing, it's going to, pick up, but it's not picking up. At the point of making this video. If you're experiencing this, I want you to know that a lot of people are also experiencing this. Me inclusive. That I come here to talk about Instagram adverts, I'm chopping my breakfast. However, I have good news and I have bad news. Which one do you want first? Let's do bad news first. I will use good news to help you shake your body. Come on, body job. Bad news is we do not know how long this would last. At the point of making this video, I've run like 6 adverts, or 4 to 6 I've tried in these past 2 weeks. Nothing big was coming out of it. I've turned on 4 old adverts. I mean 4 old hot adverts. The advert that when I was running it, that one advert was bringing 4 sales per day minimum. It hot. When I say hot, that is hot high converting advert. So I went to look for all my old adverts because when this happens, as I said, it's not a new thing. It has happened before. Adverts stop converting. After I've tried a couple of content and it's not working, my go-to is let me try hot adverts that I used back maybe in the past 4 months that did an amazing job for me. I'll turn it on, and most times after 2 days, it starts bringing in the order. These days it's just like you're wasting money. I turned on advert 1, advert 2, advert 3, advert 4. Bruh, was burning my money. Right? Yeah, it was giving me followers, likes, shares. I'm not even sharing it to. Who are they sharing it to? Saves. So this is what I'm saying. The algorithm is currently in a mess. Now, I tried something yesterday. I'm filming this video on Thursday. I'll try to upload on Friday because this is a timely content. Yesterday, I was frustrated, like what is happening. So I went to Instagram. I searched for jewelry boxes. I searched for outfits. I searched for different things on my search bar. So, and I took time on these pages, maybe like 5-10 minutes. So this is what would happen. Why I knew the algorithm is in a big mess is once you search for anything at all, let me know if you have experienced this. You should have. You search for something, within that day they would show like 50, 30, 10 adverts of that same thing from different other vendors. Let me know if you've experienced this. After I searched for like 6 things, 7 things, I did not see adverts of all these things that I've searched for. So do you want to tell me that people that are selling these things, they are not running adverts? It's not possible. Even when I searched for jewelry box, I was presently running an advert for jewelry box, right? So when I search for jewelry box like that, if I am running advert, they would show me my own advert. Let me know in the comment section, have they shown you your own advert? If you search for what you are selling, they will show your own advert. They didn't show me my own advert. They didn't show me other people's adverts. Other things that I searched for, they were not showing me the advert. So I know that, okay, there's fire on the mountain. This is going on for like 2 weeks plus. It may be a long ride. All right, so what did I do? I just switched off my advert. I woke up midnight, I switched off my advert because I'm like, what is this? Now it's people that are returning clients, wholesaler. Even wholesaler kind of dropped because a lot of them also run adverts to sell their product. So if it's not working, it's going to affect them. Returning customers has made the people buying, and it's not what I want. It's not even I'm going to be very vulnerable with you and be sincere with you. I do not need to bobo you, So people keep saying there's low sales, adverts are not converting. It's the algorithm. It's ovulating. Hopefully, it's been rectified soon. However, a fair news, some people said that they tried running their own with laptop and it's working. Who is calling me? Oh, my mom. Hello, mommy. Mo ń ṣe video, máa pè yín padà. Good news is, some people said that they've tried using laptop from Ads Manager and it gave them a fair result. It's giving them a better result. They are saying people, so maybe the algorithm is having issues with we people using phone. If you've been long on this channel, I've said it multiple times that I run my hardware with phone. So today I just want to rest my head. In fact, I have to drag myself to make this video. That's why I didn't do any makeup. Usually I would make my face. I just drew my brow and I put a lipstick. That's all. The whole thing is just affecting me because people are also sending me a DM. Oh, my advert is not converting, though. And I don't know how to lie to people, it's just something really draining. So some people said they are using system with Ad Manager. I'll try that tomorrow. Today I want to rest my pretty head. I'm not stressing myself. Instagram cannot stress me. In this past time, I've thought about different things. I've thought about extra stream of income, different things, because there's a way I like to be seeing money flowing. This past 2 weeks is not really encouraging as much. I'll be very sincere and honest with you. Thankful for returning clients. Honestly, most times it's just people that are coming back. Oh, I want this. We just see that other hand, drink water on it. It's like, okay, thank you for coming back. One of the reasons why I say your customer service must be very good. If not for good customer service, old clients will not come back, and that would even make it worse. Imagine you are waking up for 2 weeks, no one is even making an inquiry because your adverts are not converting, and you don't have old clients that are coming back. So treat your clients well. Please like this video if you are getting value. I have to drag myself to make this video. Don't let me drag you too. Drop a comment. Let me know, are you experiencing this? Do you see people experience this? Have you seen videos of people saying they are experiencing their advert not converting and talking about losses? Is my mic working? Okay. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Also, another good news. In this past 2 weeks, I've been making research about TikTok adverts. I think I mentioned in one of my videos about TikTok that I'm taking a break for TikTok ads for now. The last time I tried TikTok adverts was, I think, February, and it was just once this year. I did TikTok adverts 3 times last year. It didn't give me result as much as Instagram used to give me. So I feel like let me focus on my Instagram. So during Valentine, I just just to push my content out, I did TikTok. Relax. Just to push my content, I did TikTok adverts. I got a lot of inquiries, though they didn't buy. So I gave up. I said, I'm not going to run TikTok adverts for now. I'm just going to do organic content. So even from organic content, we still got some inquiries there and there, but it's not just like Instagram. But in this past 2 weeks that I've seen win, there's something I've always wanted to do. I did not want to rely on Instagram adverts alone for my business. I never wanted to. I've always been trying. I sell on Gigi. I used to sell on Jumia, but at a point, Instagram advert was doing so well. So I went to deactivate my Jumia. So I'll still go and drop off. People will be stressing me. Let me face my Instagram. Right now, I already sent Jumia a message that I wanted to activate my store back. And these people, they are proud. They're asking me for bank verification. I should go to my bank, get bank verification letter, get this and that. I say, it's not you people's fault. It's the Kumak that is said is not correct, and the algorithm that is seeing period. If not for that, so what am I doing with you people? It's okay to extend the platforms in which you sell. I'm going hard on TikTok, so help me God. So the strategies I learned, I would implement it on TikTok. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested. I may not give it out for free because my eyes have seen different things. I will make a video about it, give half out for free. The rest you pay, maybe a small amount of money, maybe $5 or $10. I'll make it very affordable if I choose to make it a paid stuff. Just to let you know you are not alone. In case you've been running adverts for the past 1 week, you just feel like this thing used to convert more than this before. I think it's a glitch. I have personally been seeing adverts because people are running adverts, but I'm seeing adverts of things I am not looking for. Things that maybe I searched for in the past 6 months, they are not showing me the adverts now. Things I already bought, long lost. Did I just say long lost? So things I already bought the longest time, that is the kind of advert they are showing me. These are not things I'm not looking for. There was a time I bought hair revamping products online to revamp my wigs. I made a video on my second YouTube channel, Awesome Women. If you're a woman, you should be on that channel. I have different high quality, valuable. I just share my life as a woman. I share experiences as a woman. If you know a woman, you should share that channel link. I'll put it in the description box and in the comment section. So I uploaded a video where I revamped my hair, where I revamped my bone straight, my bouncy wig coil and all that. So I was looking for a revamping kit set. That was that not September? That was when I bought this product. I am seeing the advert for revamping now without looking for it. I'm like, you people, I did not even search for it. So what am I saying? They are showing me adverts of things I have bought long gone. So for our advert to convert, the algorithm needs to show me your advert. If I am actively looking for what you sell, maybe you sample, maybe you say fan and I want to buy fan, all right, and I'm looking for fan in Lagos. I've checked a page with different fan. I'm meant to see your fan adverts like while searching, but now they are showing me something I've searched for a month ago. No, it's not even a month, 5 months ago. Those are the kind of adverts I am personally seeing. Now I don't know about someone else, but that is my own experience. So just like this, that is business. One of the things I've learned in business is save for rainy days. I try to save a lot because, especially when you have staffs, your advert is not converting. You look on staff, what's the staff business? The person still needs to get paid as far as they are doing their job. I have this playlist about TikTok adverts. It's a playlist of what has worked for me, how I grew my account, because when I put out the next video about why I discovered on TikTok, you need this basic knowledge. So when you just see that one, you just move into action. God helping us. So click, I'll put the playlist right here. Click, watch, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.